Hello, everyone. You're welcome back today on the Returns Crypto. I want us to focus today on Bitcoin dominance. We're going to have conversations about Bitcoin dominance, where it is right now, and where dominance might be heading towards. I think dominance is heading towards 70%. I've been calling this for a while now, and today I want to really focus on this so that you guys will understand why this is so important if say you are investing in any altcoin out there. So today is really going to be something awesome for you guys who want to understand why you should buy any altcoin out there or when you should buy it. Now is the time for you to actually pay attention to this content. If you're new here, this is the Beton Crypto. What I do here is create content to help anyone out there who want to be successful in the crypto space to make better decisions as they embark in this brutal industry. This industry is made up of people with huge sum of like liquidity who are willing or ready at any time to eat all of your little gains that you're gonna make or your investment capital or your trading capital, whatsoever amount you have that you want to put in the market. These guys are gonna eat it up if say you are not actually paying attention to price action or to other macro aspect of the market like the USDT dominance and also Bitcoin dominance. We're gonna look at all of this data on today's show. If say you are watching, you're welcome. Give me some time. I'm gonna try to see if I can share this with my community. By the way, we are actually heading towards 70. Let me try to fix my camera well. We're heading towards 6,000 followers on X. But I want to show you guys this. You know, I'm gonna be live on the election day. That's gonna be 5th of November. We're gonna be live and to look at what the market is gonna or how the market is gonna react to whosoever is going to win the election, be it Trump or Kamala. The reason why we see the market pumping recently, Bitcoin is steadily going up, is because the market is looking at Trump to emerge as the winner of this election. So because Trump appeared at the Bitcoin conference and somehow endorsed Bitcoin and talk about Bitcoin reserve, for the U.S. Treasury, the market is pricing Bitcoin, is pumping Bitcoin because they think that if say Trump wins, it's gonna, cause the price of Bitcoin to move to the upside. At the same time, also it could be that they are buying now to sell. So they say buy the news and sell the result. I don't know, something like that. Buy the rumors and sell the news. Okay, buy the rumors and sell the news. So that's the slogan. So maybe they are buying the rumors right now, and when the actual news come out that Trump is emerged a winner, then we're gonna see markets plunge downward, or maybe if say Kamala is the winner, then something like still similar might happen. So this is just what I might expect. We might expect in the market, and I want us to be live. Look at price action, look at our coins, look at what all coins are doing, look at what Bitcoin is doing, look at dominance, and see if say dominance is gonna get to that level where we might start looking at reversal. So this is pretty almost everything I want us to communicate here today. And if you're watching and you are in my Telegram group, then do share this in my Telegram group. I'm not able to share this right now, but if you do share this to my Telegram group, that's gonna be awesome. Um, let's just get first of all, um, excuse guys, excuse. No, let's see. I get some people here. Adventure player says. Hi Beton, what do you think about Casper? Or it keep dumping ice purple crying. Well, if you have been following my videos about Casper, then you shouldn't be worried right now. You would have got out already from Casper. I mentioned long time ago about this project, and I think it's not like what I have been saying about Casper. doesn't actually say Casper is bad or wrong. It's just a fact that the chart doesn't represent the fundamentals, or the fundamental is so bad to an extent that investors don't trust the project anymore. So they are dumping gradually on those people who claim to be loving the project, and most of these investors are dumping at a loss. So if say you are investing in a project and you don't actually have the balls to get out at a loss, then you're not a real investor. You must have the balls to say this is it, right? I've lost this amount of money. I have to move on and go to something else, because crypto is here to stay. You cannot sleep on a particular project except you have so much money that you invest in that project and invest in this project. So you invest in multiple projects that if say this one is down, then the other one is okay for you. But if say you're that person who has not got much money, then you should pay attention to everything I say. Particularly this video, like such video like this, the kind of video I want to make today. It has to do with you understanding the macro perspective of what is going on in the market and other coins out there. You need to be able to say this is it, right? I've sold many coins at a loss. It doesn't mean that I was actually at a loss. It means that that coin at that point in time wasn't giving me the result I wanted. And so I look at the macro, I look at other coins that are doing so well. I'm like, okay, but if say I've lost this money, I can take some time to build back my portfolio to get to where I want to be. It's all about, making wrong bad decisions, adjusting your portfolio, buy coins that you can, that a little bit riskier, but it has good, narrative and all this stuff. Are things I try to teach you guys, about the market and other altcoins. But I don't want to dive only on Casper today. Let's dive into dominance. I had to, explain this to you because I see you always on my live stream, and I really love to see you succeed in this game. Now, you can see dominance is sucking out all the liquidity from altcoins. And this is important. No matter what altcoins you have. Let me just go to crypto bubbles. Let me show you guys something here. We're gonna see mostly meme coins doing so well. Of course, meme coins are gonna be doing so well, but most of the altcoins are not doing any well. This is a let's go to the daily time frame, by the way. Let's see. So this is the daily time frame. For the day, you can see only some few coins are doing so well against Bitcoin. Okay, BSV, let's see, Doge is up 5%, Rune is up 4%, not that significant against Bitcoin. And the rest, Bitcoin is outperforming on the looking at the top 100 coins. Now, if we look at the top 200 coins, you can see that we don't have much still, dominating Bitcoin for today. You can see only ZEC and Virtua is down 16%. If we go to the top, top 200, 300, you can see also the coins that are there. Trump is doing so well. Actually, I'm holding Trump. I talk about Trump. I even posted Trump in one of my VIP group, not really the VIP group, my membership. Like those of you who want to become member to my YouTube channel, is it's not costly. It's about $3, right? You can become a member with $3. And what I do for my members is I try to share give you guys some activities that might happen in the market, share with you guys. Let's say that today what I did today was I share with you guys some coins that might do so well. And Trump coin is one of those coins I really do. I don't think if I really shared Trump coin. I think I've talked about Trump coin already on that member only platform on my YouTube. That's my community. And I'm gonna keep sharing to those of you who actually support this channel by becoming members. I'm gonna be sharing this stuff with you guys like every day or every week. Um, explain to you guys some coins that might do well, some ones that might not do well. Share with you guys some charts, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna be doing this with you guys occasionally, not like often. But those of you who are part of my VIP group, I'm gonna be do make making. I want to make sure you get my buy, sell, and take profit signal. So whenever I'm selling any coin, I'm gonna let you know instantly that sell this coin. That's why people who actually don't understand when to sell, they are wondering, should I sell this coin? You need to be in my group. If you're in my group, I can take time for you alone and chart your coin so that you can see where you should get in again and where to take out profit. So looking at this now, if we go to the top 500 coins. Let's see what is going on there. Of course, meme coins are doing well, but if you look at this chart in general, you can see here the daily performance is really bad. Almost Bitcoin is eating almost every coin here. You can see all the exchanges. Bitcoin is eating all of the gains, which is something that you should pay attention to. Now, the way I trade, I have most of my liquidity in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. To an extent now, I'm bringing in BNB. Now, the reason why I chose this coin is not because they are doing well against Bitcoin. It's because I use these coins to make more Bitcoin. These are all blockchain related coins, or you can call it cryptos, right? And I trade their tokens. Like for example, Solana is doing well, and I know when Solana is doing well, Solana-based tokens are going to do well. I mean, most of the top Solana coins are going to do well. And particularly in this case, we are talking about meme coins. There's some meme coins on Solana that are going to do well, and Solana has huge liquidity. The TVL is, I think, let's say about seven. Let's see the TVL of Solana. How many billion? Let's see. Let me go to Solana. Let's see how many billion the TVL is. And when you look at the TVL, you see that the TVL, at least to an extent, if say you find a project on Solana, this part of this money might go into your project. So this is 6 billion. 6.194 billion in TVL for Solana. So imagine that there's a good directive on the blockchain, on the Solana blockchain, and many people want to get into it. They can instantly pour in or transfer 1 billion instantly to that project. And if say you get involved in that project, then you can make some quick gains. That's why you see most meme coins that have good community on Solana are doing well. The money keep flowing, like going round and around the ecosystem. That's why I hold Solana. I hold Solana because I want to use Solana to make more Solana. And if say I realize that now is the time for me to actually focus on Bitcoin, I know that if Solana is going to dip, then Solana based tokens are going to dip so drastically. So being in Bitcoin, I know I might take a hit of about 10%. And 10% fall for Bitcoin, plunge down so many coins that move alongside Bitcoin. So these are some of the knowledge that I want you guys to have in your mind. Now, if you see a coin pump in a day 40%, don't rush to FOMO in. It's okay. You don't have to buy a particular coin or focus on that coin, right? Look at pullback. Look at when this coin is going to pull back. When you see the coin pull back, that's when you start looking at opportunities to get in the market. And one of the things I teach here is how to look at market structure. When structure is broken and retest of structure. When structure is when price retest structure, that's when you get it, and you get in a conservative way that you won't be losing money, or even if you lose money, it won't be that significant, right? Because you already know that if structure is broken, what you are looking for is retest of structure to either take out profit at a minimum loss, or you cash out no, sorry, you take out profit at let's say um at a good price, or you take a minimum loss, yeah, something like that. So this is what I do, and I'm still playing this game, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, because I know we haven't yet gotten to the altcoin season. The alt season is not yet come, and I've shown you guys this chart multiple times, and I've shown you and I mentioned to you guys that we are looking at liquidity here at 70K. There's high chances that the market makers are going to push price to 70K. Trust me. And this week is the week towards the election day. And it might happen this week, or it might happen during weekend. And if they push price to 70 or 71K, my friends, they might come right down to 65K and claim this other liquidity down here. You see, we have huge amount of liquidity down here, but the ones that are above are closer to the market maker, so they can either go quickly and grab this one around 70K before they push it back right down to about 65K. Now it becomes more interesting if we look at this on the 2 week time frame. Looking at the 2 week time frame, you're going to see that there is high chances, like probability, that they are going to bring price to at least above 64,000. And if say price stays above $64,000 after there's 70K or 72K or 71K pump of Bitcoin, then we are going to be bullish still. But if the price stays below, for $64,000, then we might go right down to around $51,000 for Bitcoin. Now let's look at the monthly time frame, and this is going to be based on what dominance is going to be doing. And again, these are all macro, analysis of the market. Now you can see clearly here that we have this liquidity here at 64,700. Okay, so they can come here and grab it, and if say price is not able to go and make higher highs, then that's going to be bad for Bitcoin, but it might be good for altcoins. Okay, and we can see down here around 63,000 or and $60,000, and even you can see around this zone around $57,000. We don't have much liquidity there, but we have it around this zone and above. So when you are trading your altcoins, you have to look at when Bitcoin get to that $70,000 or $71,000, you can cash out your profit. Cash it out. It doesn't matter if say that coin is your Bitcoin. At least sell even half of it into Bitcoin or into Ethereum. If you don't do that, you're gonna find that altcoin plunge even more downward. And if say you were in gains, those gains are gonna be eaten up by Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin take a huge dump, then the money can flow back into altcoins. Guys, the profit that these whales are gonna make from Bitcoin, they are gonna be pouring it back into those altcoins that are dumping right now. The altcoins are dumping because they are getting into Bitcoin. They want to make more profit, and they are accumulating other altcoins that they want to pump after Bitcoin has pumped. This is the game. So if you have your coins and you keep looking at key levels, if see your coin keep maintaining structure, then there's no reason for you to sell that coin, even when it is not going the right way as Bitcoin. But if it's respecting levels, it's not, it's just in between. Let's say 5%, 10%, 5, 10, like up, down. Then it's you are good, you're fine. But if that coin is like 20% downward, keep going downward, then why are you seeing that coin? It has no strength. Okay, and you can use this strategy to keep buying DCA your altcoins. I mean, the ones that have decent, decent fundamental. We have Solana, we have Ethereum. I don't care about this super, like people will say, of course I care, but not like I want to risk my portfolio into it. I care because it makes me money. I mean, meme coins. I'm not gonna have most of my money in meme coins. Why? I can have like 25% of it in meme coin. The rest I have it in the top 100 coins. I'm trading those coins against Bitcoin. So I want to make more Bitcoin with those coins. So you have to understand it. Now let's get to the proper chart of today, which is the dominance chart. Now, guys, I don't care who you are and where you came from or who taught you or who brought you to crypto. But this is what you must understand. This is what you must learn. If say no one taught you about this, this is something you must understand and you must look at if say you want to make money in this game. Look at dominance. If Bitcoin is dominating the market, then you want to favor Bitcoin more than your altcoins. Now, it doesn't matter whether your altcoins are going to pump or not. What that matters is if, say, the structure your altcoins are, if they pump, if they're going to break structure, if they break structure after Bitcoin dominance is dropping, then that's when you can get into those altcoins that have break structure or retain structure and maintain structure. So if the Bitcoin is going to get to if Bitcoin dominance is going to get to about 70%, it means that it's going to eat all of this vector here. You can see red vector here. So there's high chances that they can take dominance right up to this area, and this might happen this week before the election or during the election. That's why I want us to be here live during that period, so we look at what is going on in the market. But this is what I want to do. I'm going to sell most of my coins on, I think, on like before election. I don't know exactly when, but it might happen. Let me see which days 20 20. Yeah, we have about 7 days left for the election. So within 5 days, I'm gonna sell my coins. I'm gonna wait to see what the election will do. Now, the election cannot pump any every coin like that without retracement. And if I'm gonna miss, let's say 10% and make about 80%, I'm gonna choose 80% than 90%. And choosing 80% is gonna mean I am buying at the right price and without me feeling as if okay, the market is gonna go against me. Okay, so looking at all of this stuff is very important. I explain this to you so you learn how it works and how you can take advantage of it. Another thing I want you also to look at is the USDT dominance. Now, this dominance is very important for those of you who are into altcoins. Okay, now if you look at this dominance, let me go to let me see. Yeah. So you can see clearly here that this dominance is forming at a range, this trend line here. So because it is at this like it's forming at this trend line, we might see dominance, USDT dominance break downward, and come right down to this zone. But let's look at this on the daily time frame. Now looking at this on the daily time frame, you can see clearly what is going on here. It seems as if dominance, when you exit the dominance, want to pump to the upside based on this structure here. But if you say dominance is gonna like uh, break down, then we're gonna see Bitcoin pump. And I'm looking at this to be the case. Maybe USDT dominance is gonna plunge downward, and if it does plunge downward, Bitcoin is gonna pump. And if Bitcoin pump, then dominance is gonna retrace. And when dominance retrace, it means that investors are now favoring USDT. But when dominance is, dumping, it means investors are favoring crypto or Bitcoin. They are selling the USDT dollar, USDT into Bitcoin or other cryptos out there. So if say we see dominance going down and Bitcoin going up, meanwhile other altcoins are not doing anywhere or are doing bad, it means that when dominance is gonna be, pulling back and money getting back into USDT, then there's high chances that the money can flow now back into some altcoins, and they won't be pumping these altcoins immediately at once, like all of them at once. They can pump two in a day, three in a day, like within 1 month. We can see about let's say um 500 coins or 1,000 coins, just skyrocket to the upside within a month, and everyone gonna make money. But not all the coins are gonna pump. I don't think we're gonna see all the altcoins pump, because this cycle is a different cycle. We don't have so much liquidity in the market. We have so many coins in the market, so many more than 1 million coins available in the market, and all of these coins cannot just pump like that. There's not enough liquidity in the market. But if you look at the entire crypto space, it's just 2.2 trillion. I think about 2.2 trillion, if say I'm not mistaken. Let's look at this quickly. It's at 2.3 trillion, and look at the volume, only 73 billion. Yesterday, I think the day before, it was 50 billion. And now it's just 73 billion, the volume, which is not something significant. Of course, it's good. I mean, some quick gains from other coins, but most of the liquidity is in Bitcoin. That's why you see me playing the Bitcoin game every now and then. Now, there's something also that I want you guys to understand in the space. And when you are buying any coin, okay, you need to have an exit strategy. Don't just buy because you want to buy. You buy because you understand that now I'm buying this coin because of A, B, C, D, and or Z. Whatever analysis that you have done before buying that coin. And when you're getting out, shouldn't be because someone told you to get out. Should because you have a plan to get out, right? So you are not being caught, like as if you are surprised or something special did happen. No, you are getting out because you actually are supposed to get out at that point in time, and that was based on your strategy. Now, if say you're gonna sell any coin afterwards, it will be because your the coin have gone against your analysis, against your target, against your plan, or against your strategy. Don't allow the market to make noise in your ears. Focus on your plan. No one knows everything. I'm here saying things. At times I do the wrong thing, or at times I analyze the market wrongly and it goes against me. But majority of the time I get it right. That's what we need from an analyst. Someone who analyze properly. You know, you must not get it all the time right, but most of the time, if you get it right, it means you know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing because I've been in this space for a while now, and I've learned it the hard way. And my channel is designed for people who actually want to make some quick gains, long-term gains, and protect that gains when they make it. Not that you make money and before you realize you are losing everything back to the market makers. These guys, they don't care about you. They don't care about your emotions. They don't care about your family. They don't care if you eat today, you don't eat tomorrow, you eat last week, you don't eat this week, or you eat now, you don't eat tomorrow. They don't care about you. What do they do care about is to make money. And every exchange you see out there is there to make money out of you. They make money from fees, from liquidations, all sort of stuff that goes on that exchange. They make money. So if you are there for love, then you're crazy. You don't have to be in the crypto space for love. You are there for your money to make money. And if you see a project that has good fundamental, like on this channel, I talk about the Dogecoin, I talk about Casper, I talk about Miro, I talk about Tron Coin, I talk about Blocky Inu. I create videos based on what is trending at a point in time. And what is trending is what is making me Bitcoin. Okay? I don't talk about things that coin that are not trending. Of course, I share when I see that there's something going to happen. That coin I share that is might happen, it might break structure. Look at these zones, look at that zone, look at where to get in the market, and this is when you want to get out. And if say you want to get more of what I do on my live stream, then it's simple. Be part of my VIP community. Why would you want to join my VIP community? If of course, I understand not everyone have the funds to, join the community that is reasonable enough to see that. But again, at the same time, I would say those of you who really want to take advantage of price action, you shouldn't just focus on one thing. You should also be looking at the macro perspective. So this is my link tree, and go to my link tree and join or get access to my VIP community. This is it here. Let's see if she's gonna come on. Yeah, so this is it. Is to get my buy and sell signal. Is This is the amount gonna be paying to get that, and that's gonna be 20 USDT. That's the amount you're gonna pay. And if say you want to get a special um buy and sell signal, of course I'm gonna be doing that once in a while, not always, but I'm gonna do that to my YouTube members, regardless what amount you register. If you join with $3, you join with $4, $5, doesn't matter. I'm gonna be sharing stuff every week to you guys that will help you keep making some gains in the market. But you won't get my buy and sell signal all the time for my portfolio. You're just gonna get analysis on what is about to pump. If it pump, I'm gonna give you areas where you're gonna cash out profit instantly, and areas where you're gonna just like allow the trade to ride. I want to explain to you guys why I'm going to be doing all of those things. So this is what I'm looking at for my community. I want us to be serious with each other, be there for each other, and support each other to grow. And I think I've helped so many of you already ever since this channel started to keep growing gradually. It's not about you growing fast. It's about you growing gradually. You don't have to force the growth. If you force the growth, the market makers are gonna eat you alive. They're gonna eat you. They're gonna eat you like eat you. So please, my friends, let's take this gradually. Let's look at structure. Respect what the market is gonna give us every day, every week, every month, and we look at what dominance is doing, what the altcoin market is doing. Like let me just go to one chart so I can show you guys something here, which is really amazing. And this is let's get to let me see. This is a Ethereum BTC chart. Now, the reason why I don't look more on this chart is because I can already look at this. I can see this from crypto bubbles. From crypto bubbles, I can see what is going on in the market. But if I go deeper to look at the chart, I can see that on the daily time frame, look at what Ethereum and Bitcoin is doing to Ethereum. Bitcoin is crushing Ethereum. You can see clearly that price is pointing down. This is Ethereum BTC. And if you go to other coins, BNB, you can see that Bitcoin is also pushing BNB. Okay, but now for you to balance that, you have to still be in that savannah, that Bitcoin, like Ethereum, but at the same time, you are looking for Ethereum-based project and Solana-based project that if say they want to pump, they can pump like 30% or 20%, and then they're gonna automatically outperform Bitcoin. And if you sell back to Solana, make more Solana, and that's gonna mean you outperform Bitcoin as well. So if this really makes sense to you, then trust me, you are gonna be making some huge profit. Guys, comment below. Let me see. Let me go to your question. If you guys have any question for me, let me see. I sold my Casper. Good evening, abundant grace. Good evening. Let's see. Um, okay, let me see. I have a Hi Beton, what do you think about Casper? I already answered that question. I think Casper is dead already. Well, I cannot say that if he's dead, or I look at his price action. You know, I think Casper is dead. Yeah, that's your opinion. You are right. I don't know what. Okay, maybe based on what I was saying. Um, Magna Carre Boom says, "What do you think about mock coin? Can it reach 5 billion in this bull run?" Well, like mock coin is one of the top meme coin on the base network. Okay, and if say we're gonna see more liquidity come into the base network, then it means that more coin is gonna pump, no doubt. But reaching 5 billion is something I cannot guarantee or I cannot comment on. I can say that can even get to 100 billion, provided the community want to push it to that price point, and it can even get to the market cap of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. That's possible. And if you look at this chart here, you can see the base network is around the top four blockchain in the world. So they have about 1 point something billion TVL. Let me see if that's the case. Oh, 2.48 billion TVL. Next is Arbitrum. Now, because Mockcoin is among these, is among the top coin on the base network, you can look at the top meme coins that are available in the world or in the crypto space. So you can see here, Dogecoin is the first, Shiba Inu, Pepe, Dog with Hard Bonk, Popcat, Floki, Breath, Cat in the Dog House. You see Notcoin, then Mock is the number 97. So Mock is among the top 100 coins, and it's almost around, let's say, it's almost up to 1 billion. Yeah, it's yeah, not really that up to, but it's about 670 million. Yeah, the cap. Now, is this cap real? Of course, this cap is not real. Okay, I'm going to show you guys something here. Because I think most of the coins that you are buying, that the community are pumping, you might be thinking that the cap is real. Not all the cap is real. It's most of the cap is just being hyped by the market makers, the whales. They keep holding it and keep pumping it, making it feel as if the cap is gonna be like 1 billion, but the real cap is not that 1 billion. Now let me show you guys something here for more coin. Let me. Oh, this is Trump. I'm holding Trump. Trump is pumping. We're gonna come back to Trump. Let's see. Wait, this is a block on the base network. Okay. Now this is, look carefully. We have just 1.7 million in liquidity for more coin on the base network, and the cap here on the base network is 17 and 18 million. Maybe we have more coin also. Let's see on Ethereum. So let's see the cap on Ethereum. Let me go and copy the contract address. Let me see if say we have Ethereum here. I think more coin is also on Ethereum. Or if that's the case, then let's go and check on the liquidity that we have on Ethereum. You know, so let's see quickly. Okay, so yeah, we have more coin on Ethereum. Let's see the chain that we have more coin on. Let's see, guys. If you are hearing any sound, yeah, I know my sound is there, so I don't know if you're hearing the sound, the background sound. Yeah. So let's dive and see. So let me go back to desk screener. Let's paste this here. Oh, it's like my laptop is freezing now. I'm not able to get this quick to done fast. So hopefully I can paste this contract address. Yes, so we get the Ethereum mock coin. Guys, sorry about that. My laptop is actually freezing. Oh boy. Maybe I look for in another chart. This one is not doing well. Um, okay, guys, I'm gonna bring in a different browser. This browser is okay, mock coin on Ethereum. Let's see if it's gonna load quickly. Okay, you can see we have 16 million liquidity here. Yeah, on Ethereum, the liquidity is somehow reasonable. But look at this, guys. Look at this. 678 million. Wow. But look at the liquidity, only 60 million. So it means that those who have, like, let's go to the top holders. Let's see how much the top holders here. It's very important we understand how what is going on here or how to do most of this stuff. Now you can see, let's see the top holders. This person sold has made this amount 2.3 million and he has made 1.7 million. So these are the top holders or top traders. Now let's go. Sorry, the top traders. So let's go to the top holders. You can see this person is holding 7.71%. That's 52 million. Okay, in value. So do you think that this person can sell 62 million of more coin? No, because the liquidity is only 16 million. So no matter what this guy does, this guy can never sell 60 million. All of these at once. This other guy have 90 million. This other guy have 70 million. This other guy have 50 million, 30 million, 10 million. And so on. Like, let's go down and see 7 million. So most of these guys, they have so much, so that they cannot even sell this coin if they want to sell. Now, what do they do is they cash out the profit gradually. For example, let's stay on the 4 hours time. Okay, so if mock was to pump, yeah, like let's say you buy mock now, and some influencer have told you, oh, mock is gonna go to 5 billion. Okay, it might happen, no doubt. But now you are looking at structure and you say mock is in structure. And if mock is gonna pump and respect structure, let's say this is going to be the next target. What do you think is going to happen? Those who are going to sell during the pullback are those who have huge amount in like they are holding this amount that I'm showing you guys right now in value. Those who have more of the coins, they're going to be dumping on you gradually until, but they won't dump it in a way that's going to harm the project. If they dump it and they make money and they pour it back into the project to market the project, to push the price, to list it on different exchanges and so on and so forth, it's because they want to bring in more liquidity, right? And they want to push the price. So now the question is, how far can they push the price of this coin to? No one can answer that question. That's why I cannot answer that question to you that they're going to push price to 5 billion cap, or 10 billion. It doesn't matter. What matter is, can they sell or can they keep believing in the project, or maybe they're going to create something else and then move the liquidity to that other project. That's what they have been doing anyways in most of the Bitcoin. So guys, if you're loving the show, like, I can see you guys are watching. You haven't yet liked the show. If you're watching live, share the show. If you say you are loving it, let's get to more question. I think Caspar is okay. I already answered that question already. Let's see. Let me go to. I've already talked about Mocon. Where can I join member VIP group? Okay. Below this video is my link tree. Okay. You can join the VIP group. Let me just see if I can paste the link here and pin it. Um, I think maybe I can do that. So this is the link to join my VIP group. And if say you want to be part of my VIP on YouTube, can access my membership on YouTube, then you become VIP on YouTube. And again, the essence of my VIP is to help you make money. That's the essence. So if you're paying it right now, you know that within 1 month you're gonna be making much money, and paying it again wouldn't be that difficult, right? Except you don't make money, and that's impossible that you don't make money being part of my VIP. You have to make money. There's no reason for you to make money, of course. But now, um, that's that. What was I talking about again? Okay, more coin. So with more coin, that's what I'm looking at. If say I have to buy more coin, I'm looking at structure every day, every week, where the coin is. I don't have that illusion that I'm gonna get to 5 billion, 10 billion. No, one step at a time. And if say price permit me to stay in more coin, I wanna stay in more coin. Like for example, right now I'm in Trump coin. Okay, let me go to Trump coin. Let me show you guys something here. I'm in Trump coin on Solana blockchain. You can buy Trump coin on Solana, by the way, on Phantom wallet. So I'm in Trump coin. Okay, let me get to the Trump coin chart so you can see what I'm trying to convey here. The liquidity here is up to 500 million. Okay, now look at the cap. It's 15 million. This is only on the Solana blockchain. I think we have this also on the Ethereum blockchain, and we have this also on the, I think, base blockchain. So altogether you can see that this coin, let me see what the rank of Trump coin at this point in time. Let's go quickly and see the rank of Trump coin. There are two Trump coin, the MAGA and the other one. So what the one I'm in is the one that have the high liquidity or the high cap. Now let's scroll down. If say we're gonna find Trump coin here, I think we're gonna find Trump coin here. Let's see. We're gonna be among the top 200 coins, no doubt. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is it. MAGA Trump. The rank is let's see, 235, and the cap is 198 billion, million, not billion, million. Okay, so the other Trump coin, let's see. Okay, this is it. The other MAGA is also pumping. It's up 63%, and the reason why it's pumping is because of the election. I already told you guys that buy Trump coin. Of course, I am no financial advisor, but I told those of you who are part of my community, buy Trump coin. I even mentioned this on my live stream, and I said I mentioned the reason why I'm gonna be selling this coin. I'm gonna be like holding this coin because of Trump, because of the U.S. election, because of the fact that he is the front runner in this election. So having this coin before election is good for me because I know I can already see where the price is heading towards for Trump coin. And if say the price is gonna pump, I know when to get out. I want to get out. I don't like feel okay. I wish I would have stayed. No, I don't want to do that anymore. I love my money so much that I don't want to give it all. If I make my profit, I want to keep most of the gains. I don't want to give it to the market makers. I don't want them to have my money. Trust me, I don't want them to have my money. Anyways, now, this is Trump coin. Let me explain to you guys something about liquidity. I was trying to explain to you before. Now look at this pump to the upside. What do you think is happening? This coin is a meme coin. Nothing. The only reason why this coin is pumping is because of Trump. That's the only reason. The market supporters, they want to push this price to the upside. Now, I'm on the 15 minutes time frame. If I look at the daily time frame for Trump, look at this week here. This week alone, this stopping volume candle, this is manipulation. Someone bought this. Someone who have a lot of money bought this. And because there was low liquidity, right? It has to pump the price. And because it pumped the price, there are people who have sell orders around this area. So they sold and price pressure came back down. Okay. Now, looking at my tool. you can see clearly. It has shown me that this coin can get to $22 or $20. But I'm not gonna wait for it to get to $22. I want to sell around $20 if say that's the case, or at around $12 where I have the golden pocket, right? So I'm gonna sell there and look at what the market is gonna do, and after that, I'm gonna look. Okay, maybe I can buy again and see what happens next. But this is a plan. I have a plan, and whatever the market is gonna do after that, it will be something else. If my plan plays out, I'm gonna catch my profit. But if it goes against my plan, come on, guys, I leave the market at that loss, but look for hunt for more projects. So it's the same thing with any other altcoin. But now there's one altcoin that I think you should have in your portfolio. Of course, this is no financial advice. I'm not a advisor, but this is Boomer, Book of Me. This meme coin have one of the most liquidity in the market. Okay, trust me. Not this one, Boomer. I want to take on that. No, not that. Boomer have 54.5 million in liquidity. That is so much liquidity, and most of the liquidity is owned by Binance. Binance own most of the liquidity that of this coin, and this coin is at a zone where I think, like, if I go to the weekly time frame, I want to show you guys something here. Okay, if Binance is holding most of the liquidity of Boomer coin, and after this break of structure, yeah, retest of structure, what do you think will happen? The next thing that will happen will be a huge pump around this 0.382 zone. That's going to be 0.014383, 0.1437 for Boomer. Okay, this pump, you can see a huge pump from where price is to that zone, and that's going to be about 76% gain. Now, the target here is this previous high where we have the golden pocket. That's going to be 147 percent more than 1x. So this can happen like instantly in a day. This coin can pump, or within 2 days can pump like that. You cash your profits and you stay and look for something else. Now, the reason why am looking at this coin to be one of those coins that is going to be here is because Binance is holding most of the liquidity. Let's see if we can go on the blockchain. I don't think maybe we should do that right now. But if that's the case, let's see if say we can go to Boomer. I want to go to the blockchain of Boomer. Let me click on the contract. Let's see. Um, so let's see on So Explorer. Let's see if say I want to get the data I'm looking for. Yeah, let's see. So scan. Don't take time. Don't take time. Just get to it. Get to it as soon as possible. Or it says this might take a few seconds. I don't know why it's still loading. I think maybe because the stream is slowing down. But let me see if I can bring in another one. Let's see, Boomer. Let me take off this one. So let's see if say this one is gonna load. Verifying that this is that you are human. So guys, if say you are loving the show, do share the show. Oh, Bitcoin is at 69. Let's see. Let's go to Bitcoin quickly before we come to. I didn't even check on the price of Bitcoin. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Dominance is killing it. Oh boy. BTC, Bitcoin. Let's get to it. But there are some coins that I'm holding right now. Let's see. Oh baby. Okay. Now you are now seeing what I've like what I just mentioned, like all of what I've been saying here. You are seeing it playing, right? There's no way they're gonna come right down here. There's no way. Of course, it can happen except in extreme situation, but there's no way these guys are gonna want to push price, bring price right down to $65,000 before they take it back to let's say 70K, because 70K is already closer. You can see it's already closer. So the next thing they have to do is go and grab the liquidity. You can see we also have much liquidity around $71,000. So they can go and pump price right up to about 71,400. That's the number that Bitcoin usually go grab. And after that, before they can bring price right down to this 65 or maybe 64 or $67,000. So all coins are gonna pump. I'm so positive with altcoins, even though altcoins are dumping, But the altcoins that really have strength in the market should be those altcoins that you are holding. Guys, I have today. I have energy. It's like I'm pumping. I'm pumping. I really want you guys. Like this is gonna be one of my best show that I explain to you guys certain things about the market. Try to help you build psychology, help you build your mindset. Guys, we are here forever. So far as you're alive, crypto is gonna be here. And I don't want you to feel as if you have to hurry to make money quick. No. Imagine that you have to live here for the next 20 years again, or the next 50 years. Don't know how old you are, right? But imagine that you start building your portfolio now, gradually. Gradually, you are being cautious. You don't rush. Maybe you have a job, yeah, fine. You keep building your job, getting some money from your job, you buy some crypto, you swing trade more. You don't day trade, swing trade more, and if you apply the way I go about the market, then you are going to make money long term. Trust me. You will make money. You must make money. Bitcoin is not going to go anywhere. And you see, most of these altcoins that you fall in love with, guys, let me tell you something. These altcoins are like, let me just give you a narrative for now. Look at the crypto space as this world. This world have different continents, different countries. We have the US dollars, which is the currency that of the United States. We have euros, which is the currency for the European Union. We have the pounds for the British. We have different currencies for different countries, right? And among these currencies, we have top currencies. Those who have money, billionaires, multimillionaires, where do you think they keep their money? In their currency? If say it's not US dollar or euros or pounds or yen, no, they don't keep it there, right? They keep more of the money in US dollars. Even though the US dollar is dropping in value, they know that if say they have to exchange the US dollar to any other coin, US dollar is gonna be the dominant coin or the dominant currency. The same thing with look at other coins, other currency as shit currency or countries that have shit coins. That Bitcoin is going to always outperform those countries. And at times, most of these countries, their currency might fail. Like a project can fail, like Casper can fail, or any coin can fail. And maybe sweep all of your gains, or if you put all of your money in that coin or in that currency, what do you expect? Imagine that you are from Venezuela or you are from Turkey or you are from Zimbabwe and you save your money in that currency, by now you must have lost more than half of your money already if you have to buy. So you have to look at the crypto space in a different lens or with a different lens. It's very important you do that. Okay. And I think that if you look at this at like the way I want you guys to look at, it's gonna really help you to build your portfolio, your mindset, in a way that's gonna help you long term. You know. So I'm gonna, you know, someone wanna say hello to you guys. I have someone here wanna say hello. Yeah. Someone wanna say hello to you guys.
Hi guys, I hope you're enjoying the market.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
Oh,
dipping, it's dipping.
the mic. It's like my guys, my wife is a super investor, so she's yeah. Oh, when I was speaking, she just taking notes and doing the things that before I realized she's already making money more than me. You know, before I leave my show, she's already making money. All right,
Guys, do
someone.
you believe that? How can I make money more than the boss? The boss himself,
Yeah,
I can only follow. And sometimes I'm stubborn, I don't follow and I lose.
yeah. But you have been doing this for a long time now, and you understand a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
So based on your experience, what can you say to some of these guys who are just coming now. I'm talking about dominance and all this
Manage
stuff.
your emotions. I know you want to talk about dominance, but manage your emotions, especially when a coin is pumping. It's like, oh, let me just get into it. I tell you what, they will dump on you several times. It has happened to me. Manage your emotions. It will always fly and it will come down. It's rather you wait patiently and get in than to get in at the top and then, woo, you're swept out of your money. So manage your emotions. No matter how it's flying, if you are not in, wait for it to retrace.
Yeah, that's
That's
awesome.
yes.
Guys, at times she gives me motivation. Not at times, always she motivates me always. Because if she's not smiling, I will not be smiling here on the show. You know what I mean, right? So yeah, do you have more? Hey, do you have something more to say?
Um, Apart from saying they should buy this, because this very soon, I know the market is blood with altcoins and some meme coins, but if you have money in USDT, it's time to keep buying because very soon it's going to skyrocket. Yes. And if you are in Bitcoin, Bitcoin is going up, it's going up. Just wait for the right time to cash out and buy your altcoin.
Exactly. Exactly. Thanks for that tips. All right, guys. Hopefully, she gave you guys some nice stuff. That you can work with. But by the way, okay. So, where were we? Let me see if I can get some comments. With your comments, let's see. Um, I'm loving it, bro. This is from Magna Carre Boom.
By the way, we have not talked about
You want to talk about that?
I'm looking to
Okay. My wife wanted me to talk about Cardano. It's like she loves Cardano so much that she wants me to talk about it. Let me get to some comments here. Bitcoin is here. I already saw that. Mm, how much money monthly for your VIP? I showed you guys already. This is my VIP. I already shared the link. You can follow the link that I shared. Let me see if I can pin it. Yeah. Let me see. So this is it. Get my buy and sell signal. You can join directly from my YouTube. But my YouTube VIP is a little bit yeah, let's say expensive. Yeah. So that's it. Um, yeah, as I mentioned, I already shared the link. So if say you haven't seen the link, go to the comment section. You're gonna see the link that I shared. You know, make sure the link is coming from me, like the BETONG crypto. Look at it because people can scam. I'm gonna pin the link so people don't scam you with a wrong link. Let's get back to this. Let's stay on the chart of Bitcoin. I'm loving this. Let's see what Bitcoin is gonna do. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame and allow price to roll out. Um, why I read your comments. So Bitcoin is here. Let's see. You said that it will go up to around 71K. You are a wizard. Predicting everything, face blue, smiling. I'm not a wizard. No, it happens that, as I mentioned, those of you who have been with me, you can testify that I'm not always right, but most of the time I'm right. Okay. And when it comes to Bitcoin, I'm right because of this. I want you guys to learn about this liquidity heat map. When you learn how to analyze this, how to apply this to your trading, to your investment, you're going to understand where price might be heading towards. And when price get to those zones where you see yellowish areas, then you can start looking at opportunities to catch out profit. That's going to be that opportunity for you because from that zone, you're going to see pullback. And the pullback is going to be accompanied by altcoins dropping as well. That's why when you see Bitcoin pumping like that, for example, those who are trading Bitcoin, let me show you guys something why you see altcoins dumping. Like when you see a huge dip like this, what has happened here is this. The market makers, they are in play here. They created this zone, this vector here. this green vector, it means that they want to push price to the downside. Now, they have broken structure here. When they broke structure, they are going to pull back, and when they are pulling back, there are some altcoins that people are selling to come and get an entry here, short term to trade this Bitcoin, get the next ride to the upside. So they're going to sell that altcoin, and that's why you're going to see some altcoin dipping when Bitcoin is dipping. Because the altcoin are already dipping. Why should they be dipping when Bitcoin is dipping again? It's because they keep selling those altcoins to get into Bitcoin. So they are going to come to recover this vector here. They only recover one of these vector. The next one is this one, and they are going to come to recover this vector, all of this vector, and this is going to happen during pullback. So now we have breaking structure. What do you expect during break of structure? You expect pullback, and pullback should hold structure. Then maybe move sideways. Then the next upside movement is going to get to 71K per Bitcoin. Now, what price must not do for Bitcoin is price must not break below this area here. If price break below this area, that's going to invalidate this uptrend on the 50 minutes time frame. Now, it means that the next pump to the upside, if price is not able to go and make higher highs, then there's high chances that price might dip again to the downside. If you understand how market structure is being formed, how it's being applied, and you see how what price is doing, and you apply that technique, you are going to catch most of your profit and also stay away from most of the altcoins out there. It's very important you understand structure. And when you understand what Bitcoin is doing, you can easily look at your altcoins and see what they are doing as well. Now, dominance is getting to that area where I mentioned that that is gonna lead to about 70K or 70%, not 70K, 70% for dominance. Let me see something here on. I'm actually in this trade. Let me see if see. Yeah, I'm actually in this trade here. This is Awi. I bought Awi. Also I'm in the Reef trade. I bought Reef as well. Let me see Reef, what Reef is doing. Let's see. Yeah, I'm also in this Reef trade. The alpha trade has created this buy signal. So if say Reef is gonna do something like this, let's see. Um, something like this. Yeah, then I think that if we see a move like that, then pull back, hold, then this is gonna be the target on the 5 minutes time frame. But on the let's see on the 15 minutes time frame, let's see the target. Okay, the target is gonna be here. You can see this vector here. Wow. So the next target is gonna be around this area here. This is where the alpha trend created a sell signal. But we haven't seen yet a buy signal, and we're gonna see a buy signal anytime soon. And the trendillo is at a zone where we're gonna cross this line in the middle. I know most of you are just confused with what I'm saying or what I'm doing here, but these are my tools. I have so many tools I use. I have so many charts that I use to analyze the market. I do this full time. That's why I say be part of my VIP. Those who join my VIP, I'm gonna respect them by helping them more make money. Because I know you trust in me, believe in me, and I'm gonna make sure you make money as well. But I can come here still and give free stuff, but I'm not gonna do it on a personal level because on a personal level, I'm there on my private section to trade, make my money on my own, and be able to sustain. YouTube is not making me money. Like, I just have few views with few subscribers. I'm doing this because of passion and because I have people like you who are always here with me whenever I come here, and I love you all. So that's why I must be here with you guys. I think not everyone is gonna be able to pay my VIP, so I'm gonna be here because I love it and share with you guys. Everything. What I share with you guys here is exactly what I do on my VIP. Most of you are gonna be here with me always. You're gonna be part of my VIP, not because you are there like you must be there. You're gonna be there because you want to be part of my community and you love what I do and you're just there to support the channel. So I think that's gonna be like if you guys stay with me long term, you're gonna understand what I do, how I do it, and if you understand how this works and you have the proper psychology, then you're gonna be making money long term. Trust me. Um, Now let's get back to this dominance chart. Let me see where we are right now. Or let me take this to okay. Okay. You see, we are approaching gradually. We are getting there, guys. So we might get there maybe in this week. this weekend. And if Bitcoin is going to pump to again to $70,000 or $71,000, then during the pullback, we're going to see more altcoins sell off into Bitcoin, and it might cause dominance to actually pump to the upside. Okay, so this is something really important for me and for you and for everyone who want to make money. It's like I don't I know like some of you are here. You love these altcoins. I love the altcoins as well, but I don't allow the altcoins to control me, to control my emotions. Like for example, if you bear with me, let me go to Baby Doge. I've been talking about BBDoge like ever on my platform. I realize most of my subscribers, they are holding the BBDoge coin. So I've been talking about it, no doubt. Now let me show you guys something that I mentioned here on my channel, and some people didn't pay attention to it, and now they are burned. So look at this, guys. You know, this is BBDoge coin chart on the weekly time frame. What do you see? What we see here are only green vector candles. And what have I teach you guys about vector candles, like the green vector candle? When you see the green vector going up, it means that the market makers are the one in play. They are the ones pumping the price. And when you see these other candles, it means retail investors are on board. Now, those who bought who were buying here, this retail investor who were buying here, were buying, and those who were also selling, we're selling after the market makers have already made their money here, you know, and you can see they form this red vector candle here. And if you go to like the daily time frame, you're gonna see more of these vector candles. You can see here, and see here. Now they are not on board. Okay, the market makers are on board, but not on the daily time frame. You can find them on the 4 hours time frame. Sorry, I said they are not on board. They are on board. So looking at this structure, right? What did I say? I said to you guys last time that if price is gonna break into this area here, this zone, then we're gonna see pullback at least. But the pullback, if the pullback is not able to go and make higher highs, then there's high chances that we can see price of maybe those coin plunge even more downward to this zone here. And if price get to this zone, then there's still high chances that they can come and sweep all of this liquidity here. So now I already have it in the back of my mind that if baby Dogecoin is to do this or do that, I know when to get out. I know when to stay in. Okay? And from the daily time frame, I can now dive into the 4 hours time frame and see what price is doing on that time frame. Right? What is price doing on this time frame? You can see price form an M formation here, and immediately price dump a little bit. So what has price been doing? Price has been forming lower lows. You can see after this dump here, you see this lower lows and lower highs. You can see the first low, first high, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now, are we going to make the next low? We would have made the next low during this candle, but because we saw this huge buyback around this area, it means they might want to go and start forming higher high. But the only moment you're gonna start buying this coin again or trade this coin, you can DCA this coin, no doubt. Looking at this level, like for example, you can DCA where it is right now, you can DCA here. But usually, when you see dip like this, it happens in three levels. First level, second level, and we're gonna get the third level. From the third levels, that's when you start looking at the buy opportunity. Okay. Now, because we haven't yet gotten the third level, I think what we are seeing here is somehow not sustainable until price is gonna go and make higher high, like break of this structure here. If price break this structure, come back here and hold this structure, then I am gonna consider this move as change of trend. Now we are back in an uptrend and see what the next trend will do. Maybe go and break the next structure, come back home, and so on. So you can buy the pullback if something like this happen, but you can still DCA here if you are an investor, can still buy it right now. And if we're gonna see break of structure here, you would have done it, but we have seen multiple rejection here. Yeah. So I think this bad boy is not thinking of going more to the downside, but I think looking at the way the market moves, it always drops three levels, but not all the time. it might drop 3 levels before we see the next move to the upside. Now, because of all of this knowledge, I can now understand when to buy or know when to buy, when to take out profit, and when to stay away from the market. So I don't know if this, like, I'm showing you guys right now on the Baby Dogecoin chart, because I've been doing this with you guys constantly, you know, after ever since or before it was launched on Binance. And I use the chart to teach you guys how you do TE. I use the Dogecoin to teach you how to do TE. So don't only apply this on the Dogecoin, you can apply this on any other coin out there that you are investing in. Okay. Um, let's see. Hi, the beton wife hand pink waving. Let's see you guys. Hi, the beton wife hand pink waving. Yep. She's my soulmate. Good evening, lovely wife. Lovely wife. Good evening. Yeah, she's seeing it. She's watching live with you guys. Smart family. Thanks so much. Um, let's see. It's true. Yeah. Bye, Casper. If you want to buy Casper, go and watch my, like, go and rewind. I already talk about Casper. Casper, I talk about Casper at the beginning of this video. Before the video even started. So go and watch the video from the beginning. Let's see. USDT. Mm-hmm. Thanks. You're welcome as well. Good baby Dosh. Drop for at zeros. We must have an exit target. Yeah. Again, I'm just from analyzing the Dogecoin. Okay, from the way I analyze with Dogecoin, I'm not that person who will tell you Dogecoin is gonna drop 4 zeros or that. No, I follow. I have to be real with you. Okay, I don't want to tell you guys, okay, you're gonna do this or do that. I am real based on price action. Okay, and I follow the chart every week, every day to see what is going on with the project with the coins that I'm investing in short term, or I'm swing trading that coin, the coins. So if say you look at the Dogecoin and the Dogecoin is your play, is your coins that you want to make money. Trust me, if your capital is $100 or $1,000, don't go and put it all in that Dogecoin. That's gonna be a wrong move. Have at least 20% of your money in that baby Dogecoin, and maybe you can leave it there. Then you can have another 20% that you trade baby Dogecoin. Okay, then you make some gains from that. Then you keep buying the ones that you are holding long term. Okay, you don't have to add new money to that baby Dogecoin, but you have to make money from the trade. Like looking at what I'm showing you guys right now, you can have a bag of baby Dogecoin that you trade, you swing trade. When price get to key levels, you sell. And when price retrace, you buy your baby Dogecoin investment. So you have a trading wallet and an investment wallet for the Dogecoin. Now, if it happens that this coin is good, I think it's good, it's a good coin, they have a good community. If they keep being good, if nothing happens like Casper or other coins that goes to zero, then this coin can get to, let's say, Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. It happens now. You guys are looking at now. Let's look at the future. Let's say in the future we have 20% of the world population in cryptocurrency. Right now it's not up to it's not up to 5%. Let's say in the future we have like 20% of the world crypto. What do you think will happen? Most of the OG projects like the Dogecoin, that are building utilities, building wallets, building platforms, they are going to be there for a long time, and these guys are going to come on board, going to be buying these coins as well. And if you have this in your mind, you are going to be positioning yourself based on what the coin is doing, not based on what your emotions tells you to do or what your feelings tells you to do. Hopefully this is interesting to you to understand where I'm coming from. I don't want you to say, oh, the veteran said it's not cancel 4 0. I did it cancel. No, 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 no. I don't do that anymore. I did that before when I was a baby. We learn every day. That things that I'm saying right now and in the future I'm gonna not say, I won't say it anymore, but I'm gonna learn something bigger. And if we keep going to the next level, we should be moving to the next level, not coming down back. Okay, when we grow, we keep going in the industry, keep learning new stuff, new ways to make money, and not stick with a particular coin. So hopefully this is something smart that you have learned today. If say you didn't know about this, I have two wallets, one trading, one investment. If you look at my videos, you learn, you be part of my VIP group. You look at key levels, you see, okay, when to buy, take out profit, you cash out profit, you wait for pullback, you buy again. So you keep doing that with your trading wallet while you make more maybe those coin when it's time to buy again or it's time to dissipate your baby those coin. Oh, let's see. You're not speculating. I love that. You understand structure so well. Face, red, heart, shape, trophy, yellow, smile. Yeah. Uh, Structure is key. Structure is king. So if say you understand structure, there's no need to speculate. You cannot speculate. When price break structure, you look at the next target of price. If you have previous data, you look at the previous support and resistance zone. That's the target. And if say it breaks structure again, you keep looking at like as price keep going on, you keep looking at those targets. Okay, that's how I play. That's how I go about the market, and that's what I think is what I think you guys should be doing as well. Now let's get back um to Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing, guys. If you want me to stop, I'm gonna stop. I've been live, with you guys right now, and oh, I'm just enjoying this life. I don't care how many hours has gone. I've gone like 1 hour 16 minutes. It doesn't matter. What matters is I'm live with you guys. Those of you who are here with me, I'm gonna get all the juicy part of my stuff. Um, all the juicy part of my analysis. Let me. Yeah, come on, say hello. This is my boy. Say hello. Say hello. See, I'm the next crypto genius. Hmm? Yeah. See, I'm the next crypto genius. I want to be the best crypto analyst. My daddy will teach me. Yeah, say hello to everyone. Hello. Hello. Hmm. This is my boy. Mhm. He has been playing and I miss him, so I said, let me just hold him a little bit. Hmm? Yes. Say hello to everyone. Let's dive back into it, guys. Let's dive back into it. Let me give. You can see the mommy have my boy and mommy they put on red, and daddy is not wearing. They put it on red, so it's really like they don't love mommy and son having red, while I am not having red. All right, guys. Yeah. Let's see. um. Okay. Let's go back to dominance. Let's see where we are for dominance. Okay. Um. Let me refresh this. By the way, let me look at Trump coin. Those of you wanna okay, I was talking about book of memes. Sorry, I've been talking about so many things and I forgot. Now, um, let's look at. Let me see if I can bring in the wallet here. Um, Transactions. We have it is 6,000 holders. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, not this one. Okay, these are the holders. So this is Boomer. You can see Binance is the top holder of book of memes. It has 37%. I'm sorry, uh, 54.65% Binance is the largest holder of book of memes. We have Radium, holding 4.71%. We have Get.io holding 3.83%. We have Bybit holding 3.24%. We have OKX holding 3.1%. We have most of the top holders are exchanges. We have Binance too also holding 1%. So Binance is the top holder of, like, have most of the liquidity here on this project. This should like give you guys some eyeballs or some like thoughts that if the biggest exchange in the world is having the most liquidity of this coin or in this coin, it means that there's high chance that this coin is going to survive, you know, because only Binance can decide if this coin is going to go to zero. They can decide to pull their liquidity and then dump it on everyone else. But Binance won't do that. And the fact that Binance is having this coin on the Solana chain, it means that Binance is also making money from by holding this book of names. So in essence, I would say that Binance actually launched this coin on Solana blockchain. Let me say that with Binance Exchange. I don't know, the company, because they have the most liquidity, and I've been doing this on-chain analysis stuff, and that's helped me a lot. I can teach most of you guys on-chain analysis, if you are interested, but you have to be part of my programs. If I have to dedicate my time to teach you stuff, you have to be part of my program, you know, to help you do that. Now, I think I already showed you guys this, so it's okay. So that's why I was really amazed to see where price is, where we saw the pump. We saw price went right up to about 1 billion cap. Let's see, I think it went right up to 1 billion cap. I'm looking at the cap. Let's see if say that's the case, or this is slowing down. Yeah, it went up to 2 billion, almost 2 billion. So it means that they can still push price to 1 billion, 2 billion, and even 4 billion. They can push it up to that level, and this is the beginning of that upward trend. You see, pump, respect of structure, pullback, and now the next target, the upside. I think take it right up to 1 billion. So that's what I'm looking at, guys, for Boomer. And those of you who are watching me live, this is one of the coins you can have in your portfolio, or have like buy, hold in your portfolio right now, and don't bother what price you're gonna do afterwards. You can say swing trade this coin until December, or after December, or until the bull market is over. Now, if say you are in my live show, if say you want to cash out profit, look at the cap. If you see this coin at 1 billion, bam, cash out profit. If you see it at 1 billion and you're gonna retrace back to 800 million, you buy again. If it goes to about 1.4 billion, you cash out profit. It comes back to 1.2 billion or 1 billion, you buy again. Then if you buy after that, the next right is 2 billion. From 2 billion, then we can go to 10 billion. This is I'm saying this to you by looking at this chart, how it's gonna play out. Okay, there's nothing special about it, and I want you guys to learn this, to understand this, to know how this works, so that tomorrow you will be there as well, helping someone else to apply similar knowledge. What do you think about me? Let's see. Purple blue peace beautiful boy. Hi baby I love that name. Baby Betong. Baby Betong. I love that name. I hold Boomer. I think it's a great project. Yeah. Magna Cerebrum. I think you're gonna be a billionaire soon. You are holding. It's like you are holding the top coins that are gonna make you crazy gains. What do you think about Mini on Solana? Mm, let's just look at it. I don't know about this coin. Let's go first of all go on market cap. Mhm. The coins I'm looking at, I can share with you guys some of the coins I'm looking at. Solana blockchain, if you want, I can share with you guys the top coins I think are great on Solana blockchain. You know, and these coins that I have on, I've done research on them. Okay, maybe I don't. I think maybe this is the coin is sitting at 2,781. Okay. Let's look at price action. If I'm playing with my laptop like that is freezing because I have so many windows open up. So you see this page wanna exit. Let me exit the page, then refresh it again. I have so many windows open up. So let me refresh the page again to see if it's gonna come to us. Yeah, I have so many windows open up, guys. While this is loading, let's get to okay, let's see, it was about to load, but it's taking time because I have so many windows open and I'm using a strong program to go live. I'm using Ecam to go live. So at least Ecam it costs me about $40 every month. So it's a good program. I love it. I can even bring in guests if any of you want to join me live. I can bring you live with me. So just comment below if you want to join me live. If you want to join me to talk with me live, just say yes. You want to join me live, and I want to send you a link to join live with me like now. You know, if you have some ideas want to share with us to someone, I mean, I'm open to anyone who want to share some ideas that they have learned also in the space. You know, yeah, it's taking time to load, guys. I think I'm gonna let me see if I can try it here. Let's see. Okay, I think this one is okay. Let's see price action for this project. Mini, mini on Solana. Okay, the liquidity is 2.6 million. Is this the coin? If it's the coin, let me know at the comment section that this is the coin. 2.6 million liquidity, cap for 2 million. Not bad. This is a weekly time frame. Okay. So, okay. I think, let me see. I don't know anything about this coin, but all I can look at here is structure. And from the structure, I can I can say that this huge pump to the upside is uh, facing retracement. And let me bring in the Fibonacci tool and pluck it from this area where the pump started. Let me see from here to the top of that pump. So usually I want to see the golden pocket. Okay, so you can see price is respecting TA, is respecting this indicator. We can see how price bounced from this area. So if price stay above this zone here, then it's good to buy. But the zone usually that I expect anyone to buy if say you are trading meme coin is around the 0.786 zone. So if price come to this area for mini, let's see if price do something. if price do something like this, you come down, you can buy from there. You come here, you can sell a little bit. If you hold here, you buy again. When you form an information, then you can buy and take it to the upside. Okay. So wait for something like this to happen, then you buy and take it to the upside. And for us to understand the target, if say we see a pump like let's just assume that this is the bottom of that of this pump. Okay, this is the bottom of this pump. So let's bring in the two this two again. We block it from the top to the bottom. So let's block it from the top to the bottom to see the target. Let's assume that this is the bottom of this pullback. So this is going to be the target here around the 50, um, 54 million market cap. Yeah, yeah, I think that's going to be the target. Let's go to price. Let's see the price. Um, so if that's the case, let me do the same thing here with the price. Let's see the price target. If say that's going to be the case, they're going to be the price is going to be around 0.06. Yeah, 0.06. So out your first profit from that price point, the second profit is around the 0.5 zone, which is going to be around 0.068717. Then before the golden pocket at 0.7 or 0.7632. So that's what I'm looking at. But this is a decent pullback, and look at this huge candle. If this candle if this candle close do like this, break structure here, come back here and hold, then that's when you can buy, to take the ride to the upside. you know so that's what can happen for this mini. I don't even know what the coin is all about, but I think it's a meme coin. Yeah, it's a meme coin, so there's nothing actually about the coin. Maybe they have a good community. Let's look on X. Let's see. um their community on X. By the way, guys, if you are watching, you are here, follow me on X. Follow me on X. This is my X platform. This is my X. Yeah, this is it. The button. Go and follow me on X. But let's get to this. Let's see. They have 9,000, almost 10,000. Well, it makes sense to see that maybe they might be real community. Let's see. Their engagement. Okay, they have good engagement, good views. Yeah, looking at their followers, 8,000, and yeah. So okay, we're building a MF gang. So yeah, so that's it for that coin. Um, yes. Um, Joe, let me see if I can just search for Joe. Yeah, I guess this is the first one is the right one, the Joe. 17 days ago on on 40 million cap. The thing is, I don't buy Ethereum coins. That's the thing. Okay, you can see. What we just saw with Mini is exactly what happened with Joe. You can see, just pullback and it respect structure after break of structure. We saw pullback back to this area. So this was the area you would have bought, but for you to to confirm that for you like you would have confirmed this area, this zone, by blocking the Fibonacci 2 either from this bottom here to this area here. You can see is around the golden pocket. You can see price bounce from this golden pocket. Let me, yeah, you see price bounce from this golden pocket, and now this is the area where price is. So if say you are in this coin, I will recommend you take out profit already. Yeah, cash out profit. Let me show you why you should cash out profit now. As we assume in the other point that that was the bottom, let's do the same here. That this is the bottom. Now let's take it from that top to the bottom. Yeah, where do you see price? Around the golden pocket, exactly at the golden pocket. So because price is here, we must see pullback. Okay, and you can see in confirmation with previous price action, like you can go to 4 hours time frame to see that we have gotten multiple rejection here in the past for price 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's high chances that this is gonna retrace a little bit. But if say it happens that this coin break this structure, it's fine. If you cash out of it here, break, you're gonna buy back at the same time, the same place. Okay, but again, you have to be careful how you trade this coin. It's already up for the past 24 hours, 18%. It can go up 24% and so on and so forth. But the cap is still low. Imagine that this coin go to about 1 billion cap. That's gonna be a huge profit for you. But again, just look at zones. If you are an investor in the project, then good. If you are a trader, then good. Then you can be a trader and an investor at the same time for one project. You can have a trading wallet and an investment wallet, you know, for a particular coin, and you make more money through TA. But you don't trade these futures. You trade spot. Most of my trade are spot trade. I don't do futures. I trade on Dex Screener. I trade on my Dex wallet. Phantom. I use Phantom. I use SafePower. You know, so that's the wallet I use to trade. Yeah, guys. Um, okay, thank God you are selling. At least you have made some profit from that coin already today. Um, I think I've been live. Oh boy, really? I've been live for 1 hour 36 minutes. If you guys want me to be doing this with you guys every evening like this, yeah, let me know. And I'm gonna be doing this with you guys every evening. You know, let's just come up with a time. Join my Telegram group. The link is found below this video. The group is free of charge. It won't cost you anything. Let me just go to the description of this video. Let's see. Yeah, this is the description of this video. Let me add this is my Telegram group, my free Telegram group. So let me go and add the other group there. So let me copy this. So I go add it there. You can refresh your browser. I'm gonna get this. Yes. And by the way, guys, we are killing it. We have now more than we are heading towards 6,000 subscribers. Love you all who have been supporting my channel, who have been getting value from my channel and sharing my content with your friends. Inviting your friends, your family to love my content, to subscribe. You guys are awesome. I'm here because of you. I must be here every now and then because of you guys. So I think this is it for today. You know, let me go and see my son a little bit. You can hear that if you are hearing the cry from background, you know. But I have noise cancellation. I don't know if you guys are hearing how my son is crying from background, So let me go. Maybe he's missing daddy, you know. Let me go get him, you know. But if you guys don't have any question, I think today has been really awesome. I didn't plan to be live like today. I just told my wife, should I go live? She said, "Oh yeah, you can go live." She motivated me, and I was like, "Okay, let me go live." Then I found you guys live as well. You guys are really awesome. We have done a lot today, covered a lot today, and I'm happy that most of you are able to, look at some coins now, cash out profit. We're able to look at the bigger picture, sell at a loss, which is okay. Be able to buy back at the proper levels. Look at zones that can make you huge gains, and so on and so forth. Okay. So, okay, look at what I mentioned layout, anyways. But again, as I mentioned, we want to stay in this structure. You know, it's like something is playing. sound is playing from background. Okay. Okay, if you guys who are live with me want me to be doing this every evening, same time, then I'm gonna do it, every evening with you guys. Um, at times, I want to do this, but I don't know if say you guys want to be here. That's why I chose to come live after live. Anytime I want to come live, those who are available or those who watch afterwards can benefit. But if I meet people who are live with me, is awesome because we can just trash most of the stuff, look at some coins, look at market structure, trade together, and yeah, we can do this. I'm gonna be doing this also for those of you who are part of my private community. We're gonna have days that we do live shows. Just between us. You know, when I'm tired, I'm able to speak. I feel like have been drained. I've been drained. Let's see. I don't know if so I should sell my Trump coin. Let me see. Mm, but let's see. I should sell my Trump coin. Because Trump has been the only one doing so well, even though it's down 8% from the pump. Let me see. Let's sell my Trump coin. Mm, nope, nope. Let me tell you guys why I'm not gonna sell my Trump coin. Okay. Um, I'm not gonna sell my Trump coin because you see, there was high chances that price was always gonna reject from this zone here. Okay, there was high chances that price was always going to reject. Why? Because in the past we have seen multiple rejection. I would have sold here, but I didn't sell. And for the past hour, this coin is down 8%. 8%. Now I would have saved 8%. I would have saved 8% of this coin, but I didn't save 8%. Now let me explain why. The reason why I'm not selling Trump coin is because I think something like this might happen with the coin. And I already have I'm trading with a bot. I already have a take profit around $20. If say I see a huge pump in the upside, it might happen. Someone can buy this coin and just pump it to $20. I have a bot that is gonna execute a sell order for me. So that's if say you want to get my bots, maybe you don't know how to use it. I don't know if you guys understand how to use bots. I use bots to trade most of these coins. It helps me set limit order, set take profit order. If I like mark a zone, I can already say if I see price here, like if I would have been using my bot on this, like set my target to be around this $5 price point, I would have been sold like even while I sleep. I would have been making money while I sleep. Right. But right now, I still believe that we have more upside for Trump coin. Okay. Now, for me to actually let's see if so we can look at this on a different chart. Let's see because the Trump coin you can buy Trump coin from other exchanges like let's see if I can get Trump coin here. Trump you can buy from from Mexico Global. So let's see. And by the way, guys, my Mexico link is found below this video. Okay, so you can see we are looking at this now on the 15 minutes time frame. The alpha trend has printed the sell signal here, and the RSI, resetted around this oversold area, and now we are at this area, this zone that I think maybe we might see more downside for price, but it might hit the better moving average before start going back to the upside. Now, guys, usually I use this my moving average more on the daily time frame. Let me show you guys how I use it. It's still forming here. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, let's see if it not appear. All right. Now, how I use my moving average is when price break my moving average, I want to see pullback to that moving average. And when I see pullback to that moving average, that's when I'm gonna buy again. Okay. And if I see price, attempting, like for example, right now, we have on this chart we have the 800-day moving average, we have the 200-day moving average, we have the 50-day moving average, and we have this my the beta moving average that constitute support, resistance, and the line in the middle is more of like the point of control. Okay, so how I use it now, when price is above all of these moving averages, okay, on the higher time frame, then you should be bullish for that coin. At this point in time, price is not above all of the moving average except this 800 day moving average. So I want to see price break this 800 day moving average, and when price break that 800 day moving average, I want to see pullback back to the 800 day moving average. And if say price get there again, then that's when I'm buying. But for now, price is still attempting to break this moving average here, this 800 day moving average. You know, 800-day moving average. I speak fast at times, so like I can speak fast. You don't get what I'm saying. Yeah, if Trump wins, it's gonna pump like crazy. No doubt. I believe that also. I think so. If Trump wins, it's gonna pump like crazy. Oh, I can see. Someone give me thumbs down on YouTube. Why would someone do that? Give me thumbs down. Why did they come to my live stream? I can see someone gave me thumbs down. Like, you know, you can see this. They are haters. Yeah, haters. You know, but it's good to if they feel that my content is not good for them. Yeah, it's good that they put like thumbs down. Mm, let's give 5 more 3 minutes so we can round up. I'm really gonna wait to answer some questions from you guys. If you have any questions, then I'm gonna be answering those questions. But Adventure, Magnus, Cerebrum, you guys are awesome. It's good having you guys here. Let me see if say yeah, most of you guys, Perilla, wife, she's here and still here with me. I bought Baby Doge when it was around. Oh, I have a comment on Facebook. Awesome. Kelly Sue. Okay, I have a comment on Facebook. Kelly says, let me bring it here. She says, I bought Baby Doge when it was around 0.8. I have been waiting for it to get to the price I bought, but all no avail. My $600 USD is just 392 USD right now. Um, Kelly, I don't know if say you are still watching me right now. If you are watching me, just comment that you are watching me. So I still, but let me see if say you are still on Facebook. Okay, I don't see anyone on Facebook watching me right now. But if you are still watching me on Facebook, do let me know, Kelly. But let me say this to you. Um, what you just did or what you did is one of the things I'm against on my channel. When you love a project, you don't buy with everything, guys. You can't, like, if you have, let's say, $1,000 or $600, like Kelly, she has $600. You buy at key levels. You DCA at key levels. You can buy with $200. You buy again with $200. You keep buying until you exhaust that amount. But you keep buying at key levels, levels that you think price is respected, not when price keep dipping until you are not able to sell off. Now, if say you buy at a certain level and price dip, let's say 20%, there's always pullback. And during pullback price is gonna go to where you bought it. And if you see price to where you bought it and price is not able to go and make higher highs, you should sell and get away from that project. Because now, if you stay in a project, it's gonna keep making you more loss or for exposing you to more losses, you know. And I think you can still turn around that amount to something huge. 392, almost $400 is something big that in no time I can help you to get back to your $600. You know, if only you be part of my community, be part of my community. I will watch my live stream, and I'm going to help you to diversify your portfolio and have a an account that you trade the Dogecoin only and one that you buy DCA. And within no time, we are going to make back your money. You know, guys, something you should understand is this: I don't care whether we are bullish or we are bearish. Regardless the situation, I make money in the market, because I trade based on structure. I'm not more of a seller. I'm more of a seller when I take out profit. I'm more of a buyer. So I wait more for pullback, when I'm buying, I wait for pullback before I buy. And when I buy, when price get to certain levels, I sell and wait for again for another pullback while I look for another coin to buy. There are many coins in the market. I look for many of them. I talk about them often here. So I have like 10 coins or 30 coins that I can trade from every day. And if I look at the bubbles and it gives me opportunity, I go and chart the coin and see, okay, can I make 10%, 20% today? And then add it to my Bitcoin or to my main project or to my Ethereum or to my Solana. And that's what I do every day, until Saturday, Friday, where I just relax, with my family and so on. So Kelly, I don't know if you are still watching, but I really feel for you, and I really want to help you, to go in this space. I really want to help you, anyone out there, not only Kelly, but if you are watching, I can see you, Noah. Noah is here. Hello. What type of sell wall do you think it's at 100K? Is it Bitcoin? Noah, are you talking about Bitcoin? Let me know if say you're talking about Bitcoin sell war. I don't know which coin you're talking about, but let me know if it's Bitcoin. Can see Sam Stoney United says 70K. I think you have type uh typo. Let's see. No, the 70% is more of the dominance. In the beginning of the show, we're talking about dominance before we start talking about other stuff in the market. So the 70% is more of dominance that we can see Bitcoin dominance get to 70%. I showed the chart earlier, so it's not I didn't make an error. So thanks for pointing that out. I appreciate. You know. Um, let's see. Thank you for analyzing, meaning your golden pocket areas are helping a lot. Face blue, smile, face blue, smile. I think that's I'm reading that should be emoji. I'm reading. Can you imagine? I'm reading emoji. It's because I'm looking at my program that I used to go live with you guys. So I'm looking at it and it's like I'm reading my blue. I'm mad. I'm crazy, man. Reading emoji. But yeah, guys, that's it. And um, I can see more people joining. Oh, I'm loving this live today. You know, but I have some people here who are on X. And if you already follow me on X, this is my X platform, my X account, the BETONG. Follow me on X, guys. This is it. You know, um, follow me on X. I share stuff on X as well. You can see. You scroll down, you see stuff I share on X. I'm also live on X. See, I shared on X stuff, videos. I also share. I've also shared something about the liquidation heat map on X. Let me see. Okay, you can see the chart, all the stuff that I share here. So you be able of my Twitter or my X is gonna be helpful to you too. So that's it. The Betong. Go on X and search for the Betong. This tick, that's me. Let me see if say I have some questions. If not, then let me just wait. I keep pushing the time. Let me just wait until 2 hours. So exactly 2 hours live. I want to end the show. You know, until tomorrow. We can be doing longer shows, 2 hours, 1 hour. It's fine with me. You know, it's fine with me, guys. Okay, Noah is talking about Bitcoin. Okay, um, let's see. Let's get to Bitcoin, Noah. I love to talk about Bitcoin and look at the chart of Bitcoin. Oh, Maka is pumping again. Let's get back to Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. So let's stay on the monthly time frame because what we're about to do here is going to be great on the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame for Bitcoin, let me zoom out this, do this, and come here. Okay. So if you see the previous movement of Bitcoin, okay, let me show you guys something here. Now let's take it back then from, let's see. hmm, Okay, let's take it back then from, let's say, Wednesday, um November 10. No, let's see, from no from January. No, this is the daily time frame. No, let's go to the monthly time frame. I'm looking at the wrong time frame for Bitcoin. Okay, so this is the monthly time frame for Bitcoin. Okay, now look at this movement for Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was launched, that was in 2011. Let me start with this move to the upside. So let's calculate the move. Let's take this from here to the upside. Let's calculate this move. Let's see what we got there. Okay, so let's take this now back to this other area where the move started. Okay, so yeah, okay. I think I got it from this break of structure. Let me get it from break of structure. But anyway, let me allow it like this. So this is the move, the second move around. Let's say from January 2015, it took price right up to about $20,000 for a Bitcoin around December 17. Okay, so no, December 2017. Yeah, 1st of December 2017, we saw Bitcoin at around 20K area. Now, if we bring this same tool back after that movement, let's see where price is going to take us. So, you know, guys, this is just a tool I use. It's not accurate. I just do this. So don't go and copy this and say, okay, yeah, said that price is going to do like that. Now, if say we see price do like, or we see the same performance for price for Bitcoin, then we should expect Bitcoin to go right up to about 400 or $600,000, okay, per Bitcoin. Now, this might sound somehow crazy, right? But let's just say Bitcoin is to do the same um like what it did last time. Let's just mark it this way. So let's take it this way and then bring this to this other zone here. Let's see where price is going to take us to. That's going to be around 300 and $335,000 per Bitcoin. So this is what I'm looking at. You know, Bitcoin can do something like this, go more than 100K. So why some people are calling for 100K? It might go straight up there. It can happen. You can see, look at this week here. This week here, what happened here? Same week can print here, straight up to that amount. Okay, and this might happen Maybe this year or December it can happen. So I wanted to show you this so you understand. Not only that you look at 100K, but we are looking at the bigger picture here, which is um if say Bitcoin is gonna do half of this move to the upside, you can see if we do half of this move to the upside, then Bitcoin is gonna just eat 100K like that, and take us right up to 240K. Hopefully this explanation was helpful to you somehow, because along the way, um, I was just mixing stuff up, but I think you understand the idea or what I'm trying to explain to you based on the target. So the target might not be 100K. Maybe we can see some sort of reaction for 100K, but I think if Bitcoin gets to 100K, then it can just go straight to about 350K. You know, so that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. And all coins are gonna do so well. That's why you see analysts says that Bitcoin can go to 1 million because of charts like this. You can see, you can look at what price has done in the past and what price might do. Of course, guys, I don't rely on predictions. I can just look at where price might go based on price action. Then now I start follow, you know, price, and if price get to that zone, then I can now, okay, maybe this should be the area where we see pullback. Okay, so Noah, I don't know if say this makes sense to you. If it does make sense to you, then kudos to you. Kudos. Yeah, I said we're gonna end the live stream uh, 2 hours, so we are 2 hours. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. Tomorrow, let's do it again, same time. You all join me same time tomorrow. Let's analyze the market, and don't forget, guys. On the 5th, we're gonna have this live show on the 5th, election day. I'm gonna be live to analyze the market with you guys. So let's join on the 5th to do this together. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry.